Blue Shield 3518 is a fiberglass reinforced barrier paper. The product features 2 sheets of natural Kraft paper joined together with a barrier laminate. Fiberglass reinforcement provides durability and strength to this versatile protective paper. Let's review 3518's performance metrics. The product is a strong barrier to liquids found on the job site, including water, paint, and other construction liquids. 3518 is a 3 out of a possible 5-star barrier. The fiberglass reinforcing threads mitigate tears from propagating. This enhances the durability and longevity of the product on the job site. 3518 can be used multiple times in most applications. There are more reusable options in the Blue Shield line, but 3518 is fairly reusable. 3518 is not designed to be breathable, with a permeability of 1 perm. The product is economically priced, an excellent value for barrier and tear resistance.